Good morning, class third. Class, this is your English language book, and today we'll start chapter 7, comparison. Comparison means to compare any two word or more than two word. Okay? Sometimes we use adjectives to show how people and things compare with one another. Okay? We will use comparison word to compare any two word or more than two word. Okay, and we use adjectives word. Okay, for comparison we use adjectives word. And total there are three kinds of comparison word. First is positive, second is comparative, and third is superlative. Okay, positive means simple form, just like big, small, thin, long. Okay, comparative means whenever you compare any two thing or two word, you use comparative word, comparative degree. Just like suppose that you have only one pencil. So in big form you will say this is a big pencil. Clear? And suppose that you have one more pencil. So what do you say? This green pencil is bigger than this black pencil. This black pencil is big. Clear? Positive form. This green pencil is bigger than this black pencil. So this bigger is a comparative form. Okay? And suppose that you have one more pencil. So what do you say? You will say this is the biggest pencil. सबसे बड़ी है ना super form. Then you say this is the biggest pencil. Big, bigger, biggest. Bigger कब किया मैंने? Whenever we compare two थिंग्स और टू वर्ड. यहाँ पे टू पेंसिल थी ना, तो मैंने कंपैरेटिव डिग्री किया. और वेन एवर वी हैव मोर देन टू एंड गेट द सुपर फॉर्म, देन वी यूज सुपरलेटिव डिग्री, द बिगेस्ट. ओके, बिग, बिगर, बिगेस्ट. ओके, स्मॉल, स्मॉलर, स्मॉलेस्ट. क्लियर? अगर हमको स्मॉल में करना होता है इसमें तीनों में, बिग में तो कर लिया, बिग, बिगर, बिगेस्ट. स्मॉल में होता था स्मॉल, स्मॉलर, स्मॉलेस्ट. आया समझ में? तो दिस इज कॉल्ड द कंपैरिजन फॉर्म. ओके, वी यूज ER फॉर कंपैरेटिव डिग्री, जस्ट लाइक बिगर, स्मॉलर, लॉन्गर. ER ऐड किया ना, एंड वी ऐड EST फॉर सुपरलेटिव डिग्री, जस्ट लाइक स्मॉलेस्ट, बिगेस्ट, लॉन्गेस्ट. Clear? We add ER to the adjective to compare two things and EST to the adjective to compare more than two things. Dhruv is tall, but Akhil is taller. Akshay is the tallest of them all. Here there are three boys. He is Dhruv, he is Akhil, he is Akshay. And here the adjective word is tall. Dhruv is tall, Akhil is taller, and Akshay is the tallest. Clear? Next is question number A. Complete the table. You have to write the 3 degrees of comparison. Positive degree is already written. You have to write comparative degree and superlative degree. For comparative degree, you will add only ER. Okay? And for superlative degree, you will add EST. Just like loud, louder, loudest. Short, shorter, shortest. Safe, safer, safest. Wet, wetter, wettest. Low, lower, lowest. Large, larger, largest. Clear? Next question. Underline the correct adjective from the ones given in bracket. Okay, you have 3 options, all 3 degrees, and you have to choose the correct one, which is suitable according to the word. A whale is than an elephant. So class, here the word is than na, so you will choose larger. Okay, than अगर लिखा हुआ है तो इसका मतलब वो क्या हुआ? कंपैरिजन बिटवीन टू वर्ड्स. यहाँ पे कंपैरिजन हो रहा है व्हेल और एलिफेंट के बीच में, टू वर्ड्स है ना, और देन है, तो देन हम लोग यूज करते हैं कंपैरेटिव डिग्री के लिए. सो यू राइट लार्जर. अ व्हेल इज लार्जर देन एन एलिफेंट. ठीक. द टॉर्टोइज इज द एनिमल आई नो. द ना, द इज इंडिकेटिंग द सुपरलेटिव डिग्री. द अगर लिखा हुआ है तो इसका मतलब वो सुपरलेटिव डिग्री में है. और दोनों कुछ नहीं है, ना द है ना देन है, सो इट मीन्स सिंपल डिग्री. ओके, पॉजिटिव डिग्री. सो वी विल चूज slowest superlative degree. The tortoise is the slowest animal I know. My skipping rope is than yours. Than comparative degree na, so you will use longer. My skipping rope is longer than yours. A feather is very. Now here there is no the and there is no than. Na the hai na than hai. So you will choose positive degree, light. A feather is very light. ना तो द है ना तो देन है, सो क्या आप चूज करोगे? पॉजिटिव डिग्री. और अगर देन होता तो कॉम्परेटिव डिग्री, और द अगर है उस सेंटेंस में तो आप क्या चूज करोगे? सुपरलेटिव डिग्री. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. Here again some sentences. My sister is than me. Than comparative degree na, so you will choose younger. My sister is younger than me. A mouse is a animal. There is no the or no than, so you will choose positive degree, small. A mouse is a small animal. The wrestler will win the competition. The superlative degree na, so you will choose strongest. The strongest wrestler will win the competition. Rupal wrote a play. There is no the or no than, so we will write simple form, positive form, short. Rupal wrote a short play. Next rule, some adjectives change in special ways to show comparison. They do not follow any pattern. कुछ ऐसे भी एडजेक्टिव वर्ड होते हैं ना जिसमें टोटली वो चेंज हो जाती है स्पेलिंग. ठीक, उसमें ना तो ई आर आप ऐड करोगे ना तो ई एस टी. द रूल इज टोटली डिफरेंट. जस्ट लाइक गुड, बेटर, बेस्ट, बैड, वर्स, वर्स्ट, लिटिल, लेस, लीस्ट, मैनी, मोर, मोस्ट. ओके. Question number C. Fill in the blanks with appropriate adjectives from brackets and complete the sentences. We have some option and we have to choose the correct one. Just like number 1, Nikhil's project was than everybody else. Better. Why better? Because of than. Okay. अगर than है तो आप second डिग्री यूज करोगे, comparative डिग्री ER वाली. अगर the है तो सुपरलेटिव डिग्री यूज करोगे EST वाली. और दोनों में से कुछ नहीं, ना द है ना देन है, तो आप सिंपल डिग्री यूज करोगे, पॉजिटिव डिग्री. दिस इज द प्ले आई हैव एवर सीन. व्हाट? वर्स ना, बिकॉज ऑफ द. सचिन तेंदुलकर इज द टैलेंटेड बैट्समैन आई नो. व्हाट डू यूज? द है, मोस्ट. ओके. दिस बॉटल contains more water, yet it takes up less space inside the fridge. Okay. Too many sweets are not good for you. Traffic during the day is worse than at night. This is the most interesting book I have ever read. So class, chapter 7 comparison is totally completed. So thank you.